All right, back we go. August 31st, Tuesday, 7:08 Eastern time. Checking out a lot of these stocks. And when you look at these stocks over and over every day, you really just see patterns. It's the same patterns over and over. And that's one of the best things, technical analysis. It easily trumps um, fundamentals. Fundamentals are good for like Apple, Home Depot, not most of these stocks. So, like, check out this stock we're looking at now, EVFM, EVFM Biosciences. Let's check it out. Excuse me. All right, so 137 million market cap. I don't see the float on FinViz, 29% institutional ownership. And a biopharmaceutical company develops and commercializes various products to address unmet needs in women's sexual and reproductive health. Located in San Diego. Any news on this? Two strong buy penny stocks that offer massive potential gains. That's tip ranks. That was today they put that out. So any insider buying or anything like that? Director bought June 18th, 10,000 shares. A lot of June buys in that one level. So, looking back in this stock, it's been in a downtrend ever since January. Look at this back and forth, gap downs, trend lines going down 450. Look at this, one gap, 2, 3, 4 gaps from that 550 level. It didn't make a nice little breakout, 75 to 125, nice little gainer. Came back to this low, which is 65 cents. Now we're at 88 cents, trying to move up. I like stochastics moving. Look at that. It's beat through this level, which is about 38. And what's ahead? $1. The $1 roll in penny stock land. And then you have 125, 150 up here. And it's looking promising for that. It's really based. Let me see the weekly on this. The weekly of the 20 EMA over 13. Look how strong that is. That's a strong line down. Now that's going to be tough to get over. You touched it before back in June. You're touching it now. If we can get in between and get above that, we can make a nice run here. You need some news though. You need positive news. It's not going to really just run on nothing. So they can push it, traders, and they'll jump in on it, but you need some positive here. See the monthly. This is way back in 2015, came down. Look at there's some triangle, descending triangle from this high, which is about 15. This has no reverse splits as far as I can see. It's actually below the all-time line that was 2017, 2018. It's 88. It's very, very beaten down. So the monthly's at a 439. Can't get much lower. So that's one positive aspect. Now, big volume down here. Look at this. Could be accumulation. So, I'm looking for if we can break this $1, 125, right up to 150, 175 level. That would fill one gap. Come up here. Let me put in retracements. Let's see here. All right, so you have that. So retracement level, look at that. It's right towards that line. See the orange covered? Take that out. Look at that. Exactly. So you brought it down right to the bottom. So that's about 175-ish, a little higher. So you have a big move up here as possible, right in that zone. Now your stop on this, it's got to be this level right here, the 65 cents. You don't want it to go below there. There's nothing here. It already beat that, the June low, so it's not looking good there. So, this is an easy play with all these gap downs. It doesn't give me that great of confidence that something could go down again. Some bad news and they push down. So this is definitely a riskier play. You got to be careful. But I like up here in this zone, and we'll see what happens. This week, maybe next week. What happens with this stock where we can get higher? I believe we can. We're right near that $1 move right now. So look for news. Let me see what tip rank says. If I could hit this. It's loading here. I've seen this in Yahoo Finance, and it's coming up. If it'll load, Tip Ranks is, I guess, their stock information site. And it's not loading. Good job. Not loading at all. Oh, here it is. Here it is. All right, let's bring it up. Ooh, it's bright. All right, so penny stocks, either love them or hate them, blah, blah, blah. We'll start with EVFM Biopharma Research, specialized in niche, focus on women's reproductive sexual health. Message, take charge of contraception, prevent STDs. See, the company dispenses 14,000 units, 68% gain sales. In Q1, Q2, 40% increase in prescriptions, 65% dispense unit. Grew revenue 1.1 million. Also, interest to investors, EVO 100 tracks continue to progress the drug candidate, which showed results for phase 2, positive results. Let's see what else they got here. There's a lot to read through. With peak U.S. sales potential 400 million realistic in our view, given the backdrop, we believe EVFM shares are trading an attractive price risk reward, which I agree too. There's a strong buy. This is consensus. Right now, it's here low, medium, high. Line bullish, CBN. 5 price target implies room for a whopping 525% upside potential. And I like that. If you get a chance to read this on, it's actually Yahoo Finance. All right, so with the big downtrend, the stock is really beat to its all-time low just recently. So, you want to buy low at all-time low. That's always a good sign. All right, so check for these areas, read the articles in this, and I think we can break the 125, 175, this 23.6 fibs level on EVFM. Check it out. All right, please subscribe to my Cayman Trade Alerts. It helps the algos. Subscribe to my channel. I keep doing these videos. Appreciate the support. A lot of people don't put out trading, information, stock information, just like, oh, I made 10,000 in one day. That doesn't help anyone really. It doesn't help you how to trade or like what to look for, the education part. StockTwits, Mike Cayman Alerts, Instagram, Mike Cayman Alerts, TikTok, Mike Cayman Trades, Twitter, Mike J Trades, Twitch, Mike Cayman Alerts. Trustzone VPN is what I use for my computer to stop like logging, getting my IP address. They're outside of America. They're in St. Charles off of Africa. So they don't log or track information. They don't give it to the United States, which is real good. So check that out. It's like 42 a year. It comes like 3 something a month. So check it out. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to my Cayman Trade Alerts. We're out for now. Peace.